I bend the wooden boards. I made a recliner like this. In summer, you can lie on it. It is cool and comfortable. First, we use square steel to make a shaped mold. Then, we bend it along the drawn human outline. We weld it to fix the position. This will do. We coat the wooden boards with adhesive, then we stack them together. We place them in the mold to position them. At the large curve, we need to clamp both sides together before fixing. Otherwise, all previous work can be wasted easily. Let it cure for 24 hours before removing the mold. Then we sand and refine the whole piece. After aligning it properly, we bond it with wood glue. It is really hot today. Let us take a break. Otherwise, we will be cooked. A glass of iced coffee helps refresh us. Even small apartments can handle it easily. It also looks great. Now that we have rested, we continue making the recliner. We wrap the joints with plastic bags. Then we pour in the adhesive. After it dries, we sand it smooth. Then we round off the corners. We drill holes at 2.5 centimeter intervals. We apply wood glue. This is the last step. Thứ nhất, cá luôn luôn đích nguyệt lượng. Luôn luôn đích nguyệt lượng hạ diện. Thị ná luôn luôn đích tiểu kiều. Tiểu kiều đích bàng biển. Hữu nhất điều luôn luôn đích tiểu thuyền. Luôn luôn đích tiểu thuyền. Thị ná đồng niên đích a giàu.